guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here. Stranger Things, brainchild of the brothers Matt and Ross Duffer, just might be one of the most popular ongoing series today. Season 4 just released, and once again, this series becomes bigger and better than anything the show had done before. As a big fan of this series, I'm gonna show you today how to create a Stranger Things phone case using Cricut machine. Let's get started. Here you're gonna need a blank phone case, vinyl in black, red, transfer tape. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. After uploading the file, choose the one you like and remove the others. Resize the design for fitting with your phone case. This part is not too difficult, just be careful not to tear the piece of paper. This is the finished creature. What do you think about it? Leave your opinion at the comments section to let us know what you think. If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, we're here to help.